Welcome to Midwestern Career College's instructional video on how to set up your new Okta account. To set up your new account, simply follow the instructions in this short demonstration video. First, open your personal email that you provided to the school as a contact. Next, look for the invitation email from noreply@okta.com with the subject line, Welcome to Okta. Please note that if your email account is set up for filtering messages, this email may appear in your promotion or spam folders. Open up the email, Welcome to Okta. In this email, you will see two things. You will see your school email address and the activation button for your Okta account. Your school email address consists of a 6-digit number, which is your student ID registered in the system, and the domain at mccollege.edu. For example, in this demonstration, we are using the email address 1212212 at mccollege.edu. Next, click on the Activate Okta Account button. This is where you will begin setting up your password for your Okta account using the requirements that you see here on the screen. When you are done creating your password, add a phone number. Adding a phone number will allow you to easily change your password should you ever need to do so in the future. Once you have entered your phone number, click Send Code. You will then receive a text message on your phone with a special code that you will need to verify your phone number. Enter the code you received in your text message and click Verify. You will then receive a notice that your phone number has been verified. Next, choose one of the pictures you see here on the screen. This picture will be used as your security image, which adds another layer of security protection to your Okta account. Once you have chosen your picture, click Create My Account. You should then automatically be directed to your dashboard. Your dashboard should look like this when using Microsoft Apps, Brightspace, and the MCC Student Portal. For your convenience, these apps are interconnected to Okta and use the same login and password. Open your Microsoft Office 365 Mail app. This is your Outlook email. When you open your Outlook email app for the first time, you will be asked for more information. This is an additional layer of security provided to you by Microsoft. In this step, you will need to set up at least 2 options for your Outlook email so that you can easily reset your Outlook password should you ever need to do so in the future. Choose any of the 2 options that you see on the screen. Follow the step-by-step instructions as prompted by the system for both of the options you have chosen.